This is the National Cathedral. It is 301 feet. This is the West Rose window. It was dedicated in 1977 in the presence of Queen Elizabeth II and President Jimmy Carter. The Thomas Jefferson Memorial was dedicated to Thomas Jefferson in 1743 to 1826, one of the most important of the American founding fathers, as the main drafter and writer of the Declaration of Independence. This is Franklin D. Roosevelt, commonly known as FDR, was the President for the United States from 1933 to 1945. This is the Martin Luther King Jr. Memorial. He was a leader in the African American Civil Rights Movement and was an iconic figure in the advancement of the civil rights in the United States and around the world. This is Mount Vernon. The mansion was built of wood and was constructed by George Washington in stages between 1758 and 1778. This was the first place George Washington was buried. This is the Marine Corps Memorial. It is a national monument in Arlington, Virginia, and was built in 1954. Arlington National Cemetery is a United States military cemetery in Arlington County, Virginia, across the Potomac River from Washington, D.C. This is Arlington National Cemetery, where we saw the changing of the guard. This is the White House. This is Ford's Theater, where President Lincoln was assassinated. This is the Pentagon. It has an outdoor memorial to the 184 people who died as victims in the building and the American Airlines Flight 77 during the September 11 attacks. This is on top of the Washington Monument. It also stands at 554 feet. It was built to commemorate our first president, George Washington. This is all of us after we went to the street vendor to get all of our sweatshirts. This is the United States Air Force Memorial. It honors the service of the personnel of the United States Air Force and its predecessors. This is the bus we rode in through the whole trip. The bus driver's name was Barry.